Hi, I'm Amy, a virtual personal assistant and owner of Ask Amy. For a while I wanted to start my own virtual assistant business, but I didn't know how or where to begin, what it involved, and I had my doubts that it would take off. And then I came across the Savvy School Members Club, which gave me the kickstart and motivation that I needed. It's full of amazing resources and a step-by-step, in-depth guide just from starting your virtual assistant journey through to growing your business and team. And you also become a member of a tight-knit Facebook group with weekly live check-in sessions, and you can ask all those silly questions without feeling silly. It's a really supportive group that pushes you to succeed and gives you a lot of motivation. My virtual assistant business is going strong and I'm loving what I'm doing, and I don't think I could have done it without the Savvy School Members Club. I highly encourage anyone looking to start out as a virtual assistant to check out the Savvy School Members Club. I'm sure you'll find it just as helpful and valuable as me.